The Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus will be behind us in some days. So now we can turn our prophetic gaze into the future, namely the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. We have already some leaks and tips about the upcoming Galaxy Note 8 flagship, which will be very important for Samsung at the end of the summer this year. To be sure of that, remember use the immortal words of Samsung's DigiCow in January. I will bring back a better, safer and very innovative Note 8. While we already speculated a bit over what the innovative term might mean, today the China's tech blogosphere spat out an alleged schematic drawing of the device, apparently from the early stages of its engineering verification phase. Thankfully, the insider also tipped some specification info to go along with it, which are nothing groundbreaking, yet so incredible precisely on account of that fact. Alleged Note 8 schematic looks close to the S8 design, down to the Infinity display and the Bixby button. According to the rumors, the Note 8 will arrive with a Snapdragon 835 or an Exynos 9 series chipset. While the 835 is a no-brainer, especially if Samsung wants to sell the eventual phablet in the USA, a true 9 series has not even been announced yet. The only thing we have seen so far is the listing of a mysterious Exynos 988 processor on the LinkedIn profile of a testing engineer. The last Exynos Samsung announced was the 88985, and that's the one that is expected to power the Galaxy S8 when it lands globally. It's still part of the 9 series as per Samsung press release upon unveiling, and yet its model number is not 9XXX, so the Note 8 might get a more souped up, cheaper than the S8. Moving on to the screen, the source tips a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED panel with. The Note 8 chassis could be an evolution of the Galaxy S8 design, meaning that Samsung should go along with the expected 18.59 aspect ratio it has shown on the 5.8 inches S8 panel in. It will be a 3040 by 2160 pixel, which will give us to the Note 8 a 4K resolution. The last but by no means least category in the specification list that accompanies the leaked schematic is the memory situation. The Note 8 is said to come with 6 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. Note that Samsung already has a C9 Pro with 6 GB of RAM in the Chinese market actually. Looking around the sides, we can see an S Pen silo, a USB-C port, a regular 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom, a SIM microSD slot at the top, and a Bixby button on the left underneath the volume buttons. At the front we can see the face scanning and selfie cameras too. This is pretty much the Galaxy S8 setup. Don't forget that these expected specifications are based on early rumors and leaks, so we will see the evolution of these rumors in the next months. Don't hesitate to give us your expectation on the future Samsung Galaxy Note 8 in comments. To discover more information on Android devices, don't hesitate to subscribe to the SRL channel.